Okay, good morning. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? All right, guys, I'm ready to go. Let's get pumped up, guys. Let's get hot. Let's talk about the big banner ads marketing strategy. If you guys are watching this video, it's because I'm either in the process of unlocking the big banner ad marketing strategy, and so you guys are on this page. So it's definitely a time to get super excited because we're going to talk about how to place and use banner and or text ads, guys, to generate leads every single day for just pennies on the dollar. Now, at the time of this video, guys, I'm going to actually splice and edit the video, so it's going to be a two-part video. So the very first thing we're going to cover in this actual video, and this is what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to follow along, pay strict attention to what I'm talking about, because I'm going to actually show you guys how to download these banners to your computer, right? Very simple. I'm going to be adding new banners all the time. We don't really need that many, guys. We're talking about high converting banners, right? Banners that I'm going to show you guys where to place. And when these people click on these banners, when I show you guys how to do this, they're actually going to be redirected to the website of your choice, guys, okay? So for everybody who's we talk about all my instant recall people, right? All my CBSU people, right? All my cash building marketing systems, the free giveaways, everything that you guys could have possibly entered into and join me on, guys. You can use this strategy to market and promote it, okay? So I'm going to, in the spliced version of this video, I'm going to actually be showing you guys how to simply load these videos up or these actual banners and how you can redirect them to the URL of your choice. Now, let's just get through this particular part of the video, guys. What you want to do when you talk about downloading these banners onto your hard drive, on your computer, on your desktop, hopefully, you're going to right-click on the banner image, right? And then you're going to click Save As, and then name whatever it is as a file on your computer. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. You're going to right-click the image. When you do that, it's going to come down here, right? You're going to come to Save Image As. Where is that? There it is right there, guys. You're going to Save Image As. You're going to click that. When you do, on the left-hand side of your screen, it's going to open up, guys, and it's going to give you guys, here you go. It's going to give you guys the actual, you're going to be able to name that banner when you do that. Now, it's just called banner ad. You can leave it like that if you want, but make sure you name it something you can remember, guys. So let's just talk about, let's just name it banner ADZ1. Okay, we're going to call that banner ads 1. You're going to save it. Pay attention on the left hand side. It looked over there, downloaded it, and now this particular banner is on my desktop. I got thousands of versions of it. I name it different things, but I'm just showing you guys that to show you how simple and easy it is to download these banners. Okay, you're going to download these banners. Again, you're going to click on the actual image of the banner, right click, open up this little field here, come down to Save Image As and click Save Image As. The left hand side of your screen is going to open up. When it does, guys, you're going to simply save the actual banners. You're going to back out of here and banner ads 2. Okay, you just name them. Click save, look on the left hand side, you'll see it just downloaded. This is how you save the banners, guys. You want to get really excited about this because now, guys, you get to open the floodgates in terms of starting to drive massive traffic into your automated marketing systems, right? We use systems to automate our marketing, guys, okay? So now we have our marketing systems all set up. Now, what do we want to do? We want to start driving massive traffic into the marketing systems, because the marketing systems, once we do this, is going to, these banners, right, are going to redirect to your URL, right? All my instant recall people, right? Everybody, right? This is what we're doing. This is how we're doing this, guys. You're going to take that URL to the replicated website I gave you, right? Hopefully it's a capture page, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this with or without. I prefer doing it with a capture page. And so now we're automating everything, right? We're going to set these up. So now you're going to start driving that traffic every single day into your automated marketing system. Whatever system it is you want to use, right? I'm going to show you guys how to set this all up. Anyway, get super pumped. Get super excited. Go ahead on, guys. download the actual banners, and let's get ready to get into part 2 of how we're going to get this all set up, probably in less than the next 10-15 minutes. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you guys on that video.